Hey, let's check this one out. This is kind of a cool replica. Not one you're going to see every day. 1964 Ford Galaxie. Now, let's come up on this door a little closer. City of Mayberry, Andy Griffith Show, and his Galaxie squad car. So a replica from the Andy Griffith Show. 1964 Ford Galaxie. 352 V8 underneath the hood. Also nicely equipped. Power steering, power brakes, AC. So this would be a great parade car. Just a car to cruise in. Any local shows, roll-ins. Take a look at the bright work. The grille, headlight surrounds. Paint on this car also shows very nice. It's a frame-off rotisserie restoration. There is a little folder of pictures. Binder of pictures that will go with it. There's also a shop manual. There's a whole folder of receipts that will go along with the car. Check out the still pictures. You'll be able to see the undersides, the interior, engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Nice comfortable cruiser too. Look at that split bench seat. Fold down armrest. There's your AC unit under the dash, as well as a Citizens Band radio that is in working order. The light on the top, siren, also working. That is a federal sign and signal, beacon bay light. And when I fire it up, we'll show you that working. We'll fire up the siren, let you hear the car run, look under the engine bay. But you can see how nice and straight that is. And again, paint shows very well on this one. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the chrome on the rear. Dual exhaust. You'll be able to see pictures in the trunk. The underside, engine bay, big whip antenna. Too cool. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Easy, just click on that link down below this video. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right to the website. Probably over 100 pictures of this car online. So we look down the driver's side. Let's go ahead and take a look back here where Otis sat, if he wasn't just checking himself in at the jail himself. Looks like we got Barney's hat back there too. Hopefully he didn't drop his one bullet underneath the seat anywhere. Doors closed nicely, fit nicely. You can see how nice the interior was. There's a power seat. Even over here on the driver's side, door panels. This might have been a little nicer inside it than Andy had. All right, a couple of switches down on this side. The siren and light are the two over here on the left. I believe this was light. And this one here, old school siren. This one right here is the electric fan with the aluminum radiator, previous owner. This one drives and runs out well, does not overheat. So I said it was great for parades and going into your local cruise-ins, roll-ins, any of that. All right. Take a little closer look at this dash. Other than that, pretty stock looking. I did have the wipers working. Those worked fine. We have a little later model radio, retro sound style radio. And again, AC underneath the dash does blow cold. And the Cobra CB radio. And that is also working order. See how easily that 352 starts up. good. Nice sounding car. And let's slip up to the front. We'll pop this hood open, check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Underside of the hood. There it is. That is paired up with an automatic transmission, if you notice. We're on the interior of the car looking it over. Power brakes, looks like a newer master cylinder brake booster. This is siren. Power steering, AC unit has been converted. So it is the newer 134. The battery disconnect over here. And again, there's the aluminum radiator. An electric fan. Replica of the Mayberry Sheriff car, 1964 Ford Galaxie 4-door sedan. How fun would this be? Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.